All right, Homestead Know How Life is Good. So these are our Rhode Island Reds. We just put some of these roost in on the inside of this former rabbit hutch because we went and picked up, I believe it was 6 more hens. So we got a golden comet, we got 3 Rhode Island Reds, and we got 2 black sex links. So I don't know how good I'll be able to show you those. Now, we bought these, but honestly, I think they're gonna be a lot happier here. And you can kind of see them back there a little bit. There's the 2 black sex links, a white leghorn, and then up in there is the golden comet. And I'll show you, we just kind of hung a quick feeder up, used our old DIY duck water for the brooder for right now, so they'd have water. And of course we'll be back out here tomorrow to take care of them again. Now, with that being said, we'll go over here and I'm gonna open this up. And this is a little bit tight.